Josh Duggar is not ready to learn his fate. The convicted pedophile has been in an Arkansas detention center ever since he was found guilty on 2 child sex abuse charges in early December. He's scheduled to be sentenced on April 5th, at which time a judge will announce just how many years Duggar will spend behind bars in a federal prison. But Josh's legal team just filed a brand new motion, arguing that this hearing should be pushed back. For what reason? The ongoing pandemic that has ravaged the United States. Defendant Joshua James Duggar, by and through undersigned counsel, respectfully requests that this court continue the sentencing hearing in this case by approximately 30 days, the court documents read. Specifically, the defense would benefit from a brief continuance to provide additional time to pursue additional information and documentation related to a possible 18 U.S.C. 3553A consideration. The paperwork goes on to cite certain reasonable COVID-19 precautions taken at the Washington County Detention Center as the basis for this request. Meaning what, exactly? The father of 7 says he has faced some delay in scheduling certain attorney-client privileged meetings by video conference due to these virus-related regulations. As a result, the argument goes, his lawyers need extra time to properly plan ahead of his sentencing. Duggar faces up to 40 years in jail, along with $500,000 in fines. A jury of his peers determined 3+ months ago that Josh illegally downloaded explicit photos and videos of children under age 12. The former reality star has filed a number of post-conviction motions in an attempt to overturn this verdict, even trying to state at one point that his trial was unconstitutional. Thus far, these motions have not been successful. Make no mistake, Duggar is headed to prison. This most recent filing is not even attempting to change the verdict or cancel the sentencing hearing. It is not intended to unnecessarily delay or hinder the proceedings, but instead, to allow Duggar sufficient time to acquire all relevant information which will be necessary for fully briefing Section 3553 argument, to confer with his counsel and to alleviate certain scheduling issues arising out of unrelated cases. While many of Josh's siblings turned against him, his wife Anna Duggar still loves him yet is still not certain about her future, an insider previously told In Touch Weekly on January 5th. The spouses share 7 kids, with their most recent addition, daughter Madison, born in October 2021. Just 1 month before Josh's trial began. That poor little girl. This entire ordeal has been very grievous, his parents, Jim Bob Duggar and Michelle Duggar, said in a statement after the conviction. Today, God's grace, through the love and prayers of so many, have sustained us. Our hearts and prayers are with anyone who has ever been harmed through child sexual abuse material. Elsewhere, Jinger Duggar came out with the harshest message for her sibling. We are saddened for the victims of horrific child abuse. We are also saddened for Josh's family, his wife and precious children, she and her husband wrote via Instagram amid Josh's trial result. We are saddened for the dishonor this has brought upon Christ's name. Josh claims to be a Christian. When a professing follower of Jesus is exposed as a hypocrite, the response of many will be to challenge the integrity of Jesus himself. For Josh, we fear for his soul, Jinger concluded back then. We are thankful to God for exposing Josh's actions and to a legal system committed to protecting the innocent and punishing the guilty in this case. We are grateful for justice. We are praying for further justice, vindication, protection, and healing for all those who have been wronged.
That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned.